Hello everyone. Welcome back to Speak English with me. Today we are going to learn how to speak English at a grocery store. We all go shopping, right? So let's practice what to say in English while buying groceries. Let's begin with a simple sentence. When you enter the store you can say, "Hi, I'm looking for some vegetables." Or, "Excuse me, where can I find the bread?" Both of these are polite ways to ask for help. Let's say them together. Hi, I'm looking for some vegetables. Where can I find the bread? You can also ask, do you sell milk? Do you have brown rice? Is the bakery section open? These are all good sentences to start a conversation. Now, imagine you are in the vegetable section. You want to ask the price. You can say, how much are the apples? What's the price of onions? How much is 1 kilo of tomatoes? Say it with me. How much are the apples? How much is 1 kilo of tomatoes? You can also ask, are bananas on sale today? Or, do you have any discounts on fruits? If you want to buy something, here are some simple ways to say it. I'll take 1 kilo of potatoes. Can I get 2 packs of pasta? Please give me 1 bottle of cooking oil. Let's repeat together. I'll take 1 kilo of potatoes. Can I get 2 packs of pasta? Please give me 1 bottle of oil. If the item is not available, you can ask, when will it be back in stock? Or, can I get it next time? You may also want to ask for help finding something. You can say, excuse me, where is the sugar? Or, I can't find the rice. Can you help me? These are very polite and useful in real situations. When you're done shopping, it's time to pay. You can ask, how much is the total? Or, what's the final amount? You can also say, can I pay by card? Do you accept UPI? Here is the cash. Can I get a bag, please? And don't forget to say, thank you. And the cashier might say, have a nice day. Then you can reply, you too. Now let's look at some useful words you might hear in a grocery store. Produce, that means fruits and vegetables. Aisle, the rows where items are kept. Checkout, the place where you pay. Cart or basket, what you carry your items in. Cashier, the person at the counter. Let's say them again. Produce, aisle, checkout, cart, cashier. Now let's listen to a story to enhance your speaking and listening skills. The sentences are short and easy. You can listen, repeat, and speak along with me. Let's begin. One Saturday morning, Emma wakes up early. She opens the fridge and sees it's almost empty. There is no milk, no fruits, and only 1 slice of bread left. Emma decides to go to the grocery store. She takes her shopping list, a cloth bag, and her wallet. At 10 a.m., she walks to a grocery store near her house. As she enters, a store employee greets her. Good morning. Welcome to Fresh Market. Emma smiles and says, good morning. She picks up a cart and begins her shopping. First, she goes to the fruit section. She picks 4 apples, 2 oranges, and a bunch of grapes. She checks the price tag. Apples $1.50 per pound. Oranges $1.20 each. Grapes $2.50 per bag. She adds them to her cart. Next, she goes to the vegetables aisle. She picks spinach, carrots, and 1 red bell pepper. Then she walks to the dairy section and takes a carton of milk and a small pack of cheese. In the bread section, she takes whole wheat bread and also adds a pack of bagels. She also remembers she needs eggs and peanut butter. She finds a dozen eggs for $3 and a jar of peanut butter for $4.25. Emma checks her list again. She has everything she needs. Now she walks to the checkout counter. The cashier smiles and says, hi there. Did you find everything? Emma replies, yes, thank you. That's all for today. The cashier scans all the items. Your total is $32.80, the cashier says. Emma takes out 2 $20 bills from her wallet and hands them to the cashier. The cashier gives her $7.20 in change and prints the receipt. Here's your change and receipt. Have a great day. Emma smiles and says, thank you. You too. She puts the groceries into her cloth bag, thanks the cashier again, and walks back home. At home, she feels happy and ready to cook a healthy meal. Try practicing this conversation with a friend or by yourself in front of a mirror. The more you practice, the more confident you will feel. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Speak English with me for more daily English practice. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.